Tell something about yourself.
I'm Maria Teresa Capi, 28 years old. I'm single. I'm fourth member of the family. I'm only high school graduate.
What is your main reason for applying abroad?
My main reason applying abroad is to help my brother and sister and my mother.
Why Singapore?
Um, because Singapore is not far in the Philippines.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes,
How about young children?
yes,
Can you sing lullaby to put baby or the children to sleep?
yes, I sing.
Can you give us an example?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Can you and are you willing to take care of elderly and bedridden people?
Yes,
How about animals?
yes,
Are you willing to take care of pets and domestic animals?
yes.
Sorry. Do you have any experience in cooking?
Yes,
Where?
in Kuwait City.
What particular food or dishes can you prepare?
Um, la like fried chicken, adobo, spaghetti, sinigang.
Do you know how to bake?
Yes,
Most people in Singapore speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
yes.
What particular home and electrical appliances can you operate? Would you please name them?
Like TV, washing machine, microwave oven, vacuum cleaner, mm, electrical iron. Only.
What particular language and dialect can you speak?
I speak Arabic, my native language, and English.
This interview will be viewed by your potential employer. Why do you think he or she should hire you?
I I can and I am willing to finish my contract, and I'm hardworking.